Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I study anatomy and went from drawing stuff like this to stuff like this. Alright, so there are two ways I go about doing this, and I recommend starting with the first one. Once you feel a bit more confident, then try the second one. So the two ways I go about learning anatomy from anime are these: tracing and reference. I know. You guys are probably like, JWilly, tracing is copying and cheating. I only have one thing to say. Shut your mouth. No. I'm just kidding. Let me explain, starting with tracing. So, we aren't tracing and copying the whole picture like we're in elementary school and trying to draw like a Pokemon for our friends. No. We are using images from anime or manga we like and drawing the basic shape in them to figure out how our favorite artists do their anatomy so we can apply it to our own ways of doing it. We're basically studying the anatomy of, drawings we like. So what I do is get a character or a couple and, whatever you like, and I add it to my canvas and lower the opacity so it's a little see-through. Then I get a bright color that is clear to see on it, like a blue or a red. You could use like whatever color you want as long as you can see it. And I just go over it and try to figure out what simple shapes I can put on it in like certain spots to make the character, and then I'll have a nice little reference of the shapes to work with after that, and then I can either draw my own character over it, or if I am trying to do a similar drawing, then I can do that, but then in my own style. So I'm basically just getting the skeletons of whatever image I'm trying to do. If you want help on what shapes to do where, I can make another tutorial for like basic anatomy shapes for characters or something like that. Just let me know in the comments. But it's mostly just cylinders and rectangles and just like simple 3D shapes, to be honest. So, is the tracing getting comfy and easy? Then let's move to the second part.
Reference.
So referencing, you're basically doing the same thing, but you're not doing it like on top of it and tracing. You're looking at it and you're referencing it. So you're not doing it right on top. It's kind of like this kind of lets you see what you are good at and what you need to practice. But still, just looking at the character or drawing you like, and then drawing basic shapes, but just kind of next to it. Or if you're looking at it on your phone and drawing on a piece of paper, it's just like that. So when you do this, I recommend a lot of looking back and forth from your drawing and the reference. So literally, as you're drawing, just drawing, reference, drawing, reference. This is like a 50-50 split, guys. You got to share the load. As you can see, I'm trying to do Sasuke, and I think I got the basic shapes and pose of it pretty good, but I do see I did the left leg a little too low and in, so I would have to adjust that. But other than that, I got the gist of the drawing just by referencing it. So this is how I practice anime anatomy and poses. Of course, you can go into the deep dive of actual anatomy and use like human references, and you get like the muscle shapes and all that stuff, but who has time for that? Nobody. I got a full-time job and I'm making YouTube videos and manga. But if you have time, go for it. It'll probably help in the long run. Maybe if my YouTube blows up and I can be a tuber full-time or make manga full-time or something, I'll have more time for that kind of stuff to like study more drawings. But till then, this is what I'm doing. Plus, it makes learning anatomy more fun because you practice on characters you like. So, get to it, my artsy-fartsy peeps. And, I hope this video helped you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.